You know how to deliver a news segment. Yeah, you're Brock, the news reporter of 1984. Best news reporter. Good evening. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. I'm Brock Peterson, and you're watching 59 Minutes. It appears I'm getting some breaking news right now, but we'll get to that later.
Brock, get the breaking news now!
No, this is my newsroom. This is my time. Good evening. I'm Brock Peterson, and you're watching 59 Minutes. I have been working on a special segment. It's on how to use social media. I want to show the public ideas on a safer approach to using this. We have been following what you so-called social media junkies. Over a course of weeks, we installed 10 new cameras and gained access to their social media accounts. Here's what we found. Our first story is on your average American mom named Patricia and her social media habits. Let's look in.
OMG, I'm so busy. Can you believe it? My kid has so many issues and medical needs. Look at all these meds. With ADHD, defiant disorder, and some kind of autism. I don't think anyone has ever dealt with the issues I deal with. Don't mess with this mama bear. Grrr. Hashtag I wear a badge of honor. I think I'll get a lot of comments on this one. I know people are going to feel for me. And send.
Stop. You don't want to reveal too much information, especially when it comes to medical or personal issues. This could be detrimental to your child, especially getting bullied at school. This kind of stuff needs to be kept private at home. Don't use social media to use your child's issues to gain attention. Instead, don't post anything at all. No one needs to know or should know. Do the right thing. So, let's go to the next example.
Maybe it's not a good idea to post. Delete.
The second part of our news segment, we follow someone who spends the majority of his time on his computer looking for unsuspecting victims. He lies and steals pictures known as catfishing, pretending to be someone he's not, just so he could trap you in his sick game. Let's look in.
Oh. I am going to be Facebook famous. Oh, can't wait to be friends with him. Oh, he has a nice face. Oh, look at her face. Oh, I'm going to request all of them. Maybe I'll get to meet them in real life too.
Wow, a new Facebook request. A new Facebook pal. I'm gonna go check out his profile. Meatball Freak 97? Interested looking at Facebook and catfishing?
When you're on social media... Bob! Get out of my face! Anyways, when you're on social media, you sometimes get strange friend requests that you don't know. As a user for social media, it's not wise to accept these friend requests. You never know if this person could be a scammer, a criminal, or even just some weirdo. Also, you never want to accept duplicate friend requests. This is a scam for sure. Steal your info.
No, ignore.
This is your typical loving father. His intentions are good, taking a family trip, letting close friends and family aware of his actions. But little does he know, he also shares with friends he does not know so well. Wow! Finally going on vacay! So excited! The whole fam and myself, of course, are going to hit the road at 3 a.m. for Disneyland! Dogs are already in the kennel, and we are ready.
Daddy, please me!
Hold on, son. Let me just post this super exciting update. And bam! Send. Well, son, we're off to Disneyland.
I want to see Mickey!
Alright then. Let's go.
The dummy said he's going to Disneyland. He posted it on Facebook.
Should I post on Facebook that we're robbing this place?
Yeah.
Stop. Do not post all your vacation plans on social media sites. This is dangerous. If you must share about a trip on social media, do it after you returned. Aw, teenagers. Here we have Rebecca. At apparently she really likes to take pictures of herself, known to many as a selfie. What shall we do with all these self-portraits? Let's watch.
I look so hot. I'm gonna upload these to Facebook. How should I caption it? I am so ugly. I wish I could look more like a queen bee. You know, hashtag Beyonce, hashtag lemonade, hashtag twins, hashtag information, hashtag blessed.
Oversharing of your lovely face or child's activities can not only eat up all your friends' newsfeed, but it can also get extremely annoying for others. This is attention-seeking behavior and can open you up for cyberbullying, catfishing, or eye-rolling. You can share it with your close family, friends. There are settings to where you can choose your audience. Go to Settings. You see General, Security, and Privacy. Click on Privacy and you can edit who you want to see your stuff. You can even choose to block people. This is how to use and stay safe on social media. Follow these steps for an enjoyable social media experience. I'm Brock Peterson, and stay savvy, America. Barbara, this is not my double shot latte!